Hey guys, it's time for Dollar General's clearance deals. We're gonna grab some different random stuff. Right now, the party favors, gift bags, all of those things are on sale. So let me show you what I picked up. See these cups right here? It is, I think, 8 in a pack. It's 10 in a pack, and they're let's scan them because I think they're either 27 cents or 47 cents. But Halloween is coming up, so I definitely need these cups. Okay. And let me get that blue one out of there, and then we'll do this one. Okay, 27 cents right there. So I grabbed the purple 27-cent cups right here. I did get a bowl, and I think this one was 47 cents. So let's scan that. But those are on sale. Uh-oh. Yeah, bear with me on this one. I don't know what I do. Did right here. Okay, there it is. So hit that. Those are 77 cents. And then let me see. And this tray right here. And that's cute for Halloween. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more bowls. Let me see. Okay, my bowl. Let me get that out of there. God, this camera ain't doing good today. And those are 27 cents. So I'm going to go back and get some more purple because that's Halloweeny. You can mix it with a lot of stuff. Now, so it is more things you can get. The birthday signs are 77 cents. And then they had over here, they had a lot of happy birthday signs, 47 cents. All right. Oh, look at that air foam balloon like this. That's 97 cents. That'll be nice for New Year's. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, I want to show you guys this. See this Kidget green tea cucumber baby wipes, 336 in there. I scanned it, and it's $3.97. And then here is one with shea butter. Oh, here's another one behind. I think I get that one too. $3.97. I got two, one niece and one nephew that's having babies. And I know they need these. And this box is tore open, but see in there it's the 3 wipes. See? So I'm gonna get those 3 right there. Okay. A bad box on Bob. Now we also have the diapers. That's $5.97. It's 29 from 12 to 18 pounds. Let me see if it's a coupon attached. Now you know we like to scan to see if it's coupons attached to these. So if so, we hit a good one. Okay. $5.97, no coupon. But that is not a bad price for those. Okay, so now you have the Huggies Little Movers, 27 pounds, which they had a ton of these. I'm not going to pay 12 bucks for them. But let me see if it's a coupon attachment. Okay. Okay. $12.97, and it's no coupon, so I'm gonna leave those there. I feel like they can go down a little more. Now these little baby washes right here, these are 97 cents. Now I got a lash stuck in my eye, and I had to use this to clean my eye with. It works perfect. Okay, so let me grab one of these for my eye. Okay, and then they have like the little baby cups. What is that? Well, it's got a bottle down and it's $2.97, but I gave her tons of bottles, so I'm not gonna even try those. But let me scan it. I hate that it'll be a cheaper price and then I didn't get it. Whenever you see it like that, you tap it, Open it up. The price it hit $2.97. No, I don't want to pay $2.97 for that. So let's look for some more stuff, guys. Here we go with a couple of their clearance items. They leggings. These say $3.47. But when I scanned them, guys, they were $2.47. Now that's for one pair. Now I've paid up to $1 for these, low as $1, so I don't know, I'll probably let that sit. But see, they are starting to have their clearance on the purple triangles at $2.47. Let me scan that and see if it's any lower. $2.47, so they haven't went any lower as of yet, but they have a big selection. So this one store I do like coming to because they have a bigger selection of products on. Okay, now, do you see this shirt right here? It's a Highland. It's a size 8 in boys. All right. Gold circle, $2.97. When I scanned it, it was 97 cents. So start looking. 97 cents. You know this can get all the way down to 47 cents, right? So that's a good deal, or even 10 cents. Okay, we have blue jeans, gold circle, 97 cents. Scan it. 97 cents. So these jeans right here look like this, the size medium. That's how they look. These are 97 cents, guys. Here is some more jeans. This is the girls mixed. Look like this. They have the pockets on the side. It's a gold circle, and they're 97 cents. But I always scan them. Scan them because they could be a cheaper price, okay? $0.97. I mean, we talking about whole blue jeans here. Now, see this shirt right here? It's a Eat Sleep Mine. Look at that. That's cute. Okay. Minecraft. Purple triangle. $5. When I scan it, it's $2.47. Now, this is new because this is a cute little shirt, but it's a size 8. And I did just donate a lot of clothes. Okay, so this SpongeBob girls shirt or boys, Nickelodeon. It's a 10-12 right here, $5. I scanned it, $2.47. So that's a cute little shirt. That's really cute. SpongeBob. Okay, so now you see this. It says it's a 14-16. It says authentic dream big, make it happen. $5. When I scan it, $2.47. Now these will go down, guys, to a lower price. Extra large orange. It's a size 7. Dinosaur, $5. Purple triangle. And the reason why I scan every single one of them, because something is not gonna be on clearance, and don't ask me why. $2.47. So yes, these will go down to 90-something cents. Okay, the girls' little pink shirt to say nope on it, they already put the tag on that, and those are already $2.47. But when you see that already on there, scan it because it could be done dropped even lower. Okay, and let's tap it. It's $2.47, so that didn't drop lower as of yet. Beautiful little cute boys' clothing, though. See? Cute. Okay, guys, I want to show you something. See this? It's a gray hoodie. Gold circle. $7. Uh-oh. Didn't mean drop when I scan it. Look at that. 97 cents. So I'm going to get that. So, guys, look what I found up here. You know, the wipes I got for $3.97. I just found some more boxes. I'm gonna grab them. I gotta take this to them. Okay, so I don't know. Let me see. Push this one back and push it up. So I end up with 5 boxes of these. And let me see. So I see some more wipes up here, but these I already checked the prices of those. They are regular price. So this is a clearance aisle now. I'm gonna show you all these. See these, the watermelon home splash. They're $1.47. They reduced, but they the home line kind. They smell so good, and I really don't even put them in there. I just take them and put them in my washroom, and then people can spray when they come out. That's what I do with these. So it's a whole box full of them up there. And then these, this is $2.47 instead of $4.47. This did not come up for me at all. What's these? Lids with bands. Now, I don't know how those work. Let me scan them. They are canning lids, so let me see. And they're originally $2. Let's see. Oh, $2. So they're not on clearance. Get these from over here and lower them down, and I get them. Now they got Chef Bar ID. Let me see what it say. Oh, it's not expired. April 7, 27. Let me see how much it is. Let's see. Well, $1.25. That's not worth it, especially when it's over here on the clearance section. Why is it that? Got hair products. You also have another baby product. What's this? A baby gift. Well, it's not enough in it. Let's see how much it is. Hell, it came up $14, guys. So I know I ain't getting that. Then you got these little Tide wipes to go. We did have a coupon a long time ago on these, so let me see if the coupon will pop up or something. It's saying product not found. Hate that. So that means they're not gonna sell it at all. We got acrylic paints in here for 25 cents. Washable. Dolls. It's toys. Or be toothbrushes. Let's see how much that is. I know we had a coupon a long time ago for that. $5.75. So that is not on sale. So a lot of this, I couldn't get this Splendor to scan. It's $1.27 because of that barcode look like a flag. So it said not product not found. They have a lot of stuff in here, guys. So if you want to look around, take a look, guys. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon account, and go and get you some cheap baby wipes, guys. Bye.